Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and powering devices. This saves troubleshooting later. First, plug the receiver into its known good outlet and attach batteries to the transmitter. Once powered, verify LED status for boot and link. Green means ready, amber means waiting. At the same time, position antennas vertically and check distances to avoid reflections. You want line of sight where possible. Make sure to note nearby interference sources, because reducing them increases signal. Now you configure the radio link and pairing. This is the complex core. Use the scanner to select the cleanest channel or manually set frequency if required. You do this to avoid collisions and dropouts. Then initiate pairing. Press sync on receiver, then on transmitter, or enter the PIN shown. Watch for steady link indicators. After pairing, tweak gain and antenna angle while monitoring signal bars. Lower power if you see distortion, and increase if the range is insufficient. Finish by validating performance under real conditions. Walk the path, stream real audio or data, and observe latency, dropouts, and quality. Once satisfied, lock or save settings and label your gear so you can reproduce the setup quickly. If something goes wrong, first isolate the problem, swap cables and batteries, move to another channel, or test each unit with a known good counterpart. This process lets you identify whether the fault is power, RF interference, or a hardware failure, so you can act decisively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.